Hey namaskar dosto, welcome back to NoTechWell, and in this video we are going to unbox the Evo Game Pad Pro 2 in this video by MKit. So to NoTechWell, and in this video, as you heard, we are going to review and unbox the MKit Evo Game Pad Pro 2. So let's start by seeing what is written on the box. So that's the MKit branding. It's like written as play like a pro, designed for comfort, 400 plus games and growing still now. So there are 400 plus games available to play and which are compatible with this device, and also play on tablet and TV. There are also something here written and here also, so that's nothing interesting, but the main important thing is here the price. It's written as 2,899 rupees, and I bought this from Amazon. Not me actually, but one of my friend bought this from Amazon for 2,400 rupees, and I got that from my friend for review. So let's start by unboxing it. So we could open it from here like this, and that's a box here. I'll just pull it out. So here is the MKit Digital Life Redefined box here. So that's the box, which is the MKit Digital Life Redefined box. So let's start with unboxing it. So we could open from here like this, and here it is written as Evo Game Pad Pro 2, next level of smartphone gaming. So we are going to unbox it. So it's like this. So that's one of the something like what we get to know. It's only available for Play Store, maybe not for the Apple users. So that's the main equipment, the main Gamepad Pro 2. Here is the MK. Also there's one charger. Let it put be aside. That's the charger here. This is charger. I'll put it aside, and this is the main, not the main, but it's for handling the mobile phone. You can keep your mobile phone here and it will work good for you. So that's another thing, and this is the main thing for us to play. So it's pretty cool, made up of, it's totally fiber and plastic, so it relies. Here are some buttons. It opens up from here like this, and we could place the smartphone here by pushing it up. I'll place it up once. Here is my Redmi Note 4, and I could place it easily here like this, and it is getting connected with Bluetooth. So we could connect it through Bluetooth and play like a pro. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, then like this video and share this and subscribe to our channel. Please support us, keep supporting us, and Jai Hind. Also, the review video of this, the gameplay video, would be coming soon, so subscribe to it.